Hi Amanda, you're going to have to use Excel Stat to, you asked a question about this problem here and it looks like the only thing you got wrong was on the predictions. You have to use Excel Stat to do this problem. And what you want to do is for the values that you want to make the prediction for, you need to put those into cells somewhere in the spreadsheet. And then we're going to go to Modeling Data, Linear Regression, and we're going to go ahead and set our model up here. So we want to predict the score. And we want to put our explanatory variables in here, identify those. And we have variable labels. We'll put the data somewhere, we'll have the output come over here. And then for prediction, you want to go over here on the prediction tab, prediction, and you want to highlight the cells where you put the values you want to make a prediction for. Make sure I have that turned off. And that should be good, I don't need any charts. Okay, so that should be all I need. All right, so what's going to happen, and you may have done this, and I apologize if you did, but I just wanted to make sure you knew you had to use Excel Stat. So if you go all the way down to where the prediction is, way down here, so there's that new observation, and there's the predicted score for it. And then for the mean, here's the lower bound and the upper bound, and then if you wanted to do a prediction interval for an individual observation, that would be here. And if you notice, it's 76.4, and the answer that was given here was 76.4 up to 0.48, which is a value that you see here on the spreadsheet. So I'm not sure how you were doing this part of it, but you've got to use Excel Stat. It's just too complicated to do this by hand. But Excel Stat will do it for you. And like I said, you need to make sure that you put the values you want to predict for in some cells in the spreadsheet, and then identify those cells on the prediction tab when you go to Excel Stat and use that linear regression option. So I hope this helps.